Alrighty guys, so this is where we started and this is where we ended. Finished product. Now I'm going to give you guys a walk around of this after it was painted, but keep in mind, so the first thing we did was primered this thing. There's a video of that already up on the channel, and this video today is going to be the USC flexible glaze, which is basically Bondo for bumpers in dummy terms. Basically, you can't use normal Bondo on a bumper because it's urethane and it's flexible and it would be subject to cracking. But if you use this stuff, you are going to be good as gold. We're going to show you how to do it inside this video. It's relatively straightforward. And then keep following along for next week's video where I'm going to show you even more on this bumper restoration where we lay down some paint. And as always, guys, all product links will be inside the description below. So if you like what you see, make sure to go click that link and purchase yourself some nice body working product. Rad performance approved.
Oh, hello guys, Rad Performance here. So I realized I had a question the other day. Someone was saying about the Bondo in terms of for a urethane bumper. So obviously you cannot use normal Bondo if you have bad stuff inside of your bumper that's like a urethane bumper. Now, this makes it really easy because it quite literally says bumper repair on it. Basically, the first thing we're going to do is we just pull this out, doing what's called kneading. Obviously, when I have both hands on it, I'm going to do it a little bit more professionally. You want to knead this stuff up before you start pouring it out onto our mixing pad, and then we're going to mix it up. Obviously, I'll show you guys. So basically, you're going to want to get some flexible stuff for urethane bumpers, knead it up for a good amount, a couple minutes maybe, and then I'll show you guys the mixing process.
There we go. So there's something going on. That's okay. So this stuff is already going bad. Okay. There we go. Get some to flow out.
I got the product for you.
Yeah. He looks good though.
Yeah, good enough.
So there's no point in buying it and just to have it.
No.
We got to buy it when we're
for use.
only even this is bad.
Even that's true.
Okay. Let's hope and pray. You could feel it that it's different. You could feel that.
Oh yeah, the flexible glaze is
it's like fucking glue.
Yeah.
It's not even like that Bondo feeling.
Yeah, look at that. It's all watery. Not even like Bondo.
No, but it feels very, very tacky.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is funny. The board is not that smooth. And that's really stupid because the boards are so cheap
Yeah.
that it's not worth it to do that. See, there's a bit of something in it. I don't know what it was. I'll leave that. I wasn't going to do this, but I may do that right there because that was bothering me.
Should sand out.
That was bothering me. Okay.
Oh yeah, the guys on top will be annoying.
Like you said, I don't know if this gets covered, but we'll see.
Yeah, but it's better than not putting it. Build it high, we'll sand it down.
Yeah, we'll do that just like that. Let this go. Okay. This is the hard one because we're going to change the way the nose looks.
Yeah, we'll just do the
Let's
X
just
pattern
see.
in.
Yeah, we'll just see. It's getting set up already. You can feel, there you go. You could feel it. Let me leave it a little high. Shit, I should have covered the bench.
It's fine. It'll wash off.
It'll snap. We'll snap it off with the bench. Yeah, that was stupid. We got to get more of these little. I think Harbor Freight has these cheap ones that they're flexible. I'll leave that, I think. It's always hard to get it on the first one. I think it's covered.
It's good enough. Yeah, we'll just have to see whenever we sand it.
Yeah, I can feel it.
It's setting up, yeah. Yeah, that's the thing whenever mixing this stuff.
It's spreading easier though.
Yeah. It spreads easier than the Bondo just because the nature of the flexible
And I
glaze.
think I'm always heavy-handed with the hardener.
Yeah. Well, because it's better than it not hardening at all.
Never, yeah. Oh, I think that was it,
Then
right?
you have to
Because we're not
strip it
doing all
off.
this stuff will
I
sand
think it's
down.
more than enough. Yeah, it should be
All
good.
this stuff will sand down. All right, yeah, we'll have to knock that down.
We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything?